Hey guys, history has been made once again as the Chandrayaan 3 mission successfully touched down on the surface of the moon. After months of meticulous planning, precise engineering, and tireless dedication from the brilliant minds at the Indian Space Research Organization, we stand on the threshold of a remarkable achievement. This is a momentous occasion, marking India's second lunar landing attempt, and it carries with it the hopes and dreams of a nation and the scientific community worldwide. As we prepare to explore the lunar surface once again, Chandrayaan 3 is equipped with cutting edge instruments and technology, poised to unveil the mysteries that have intrigued humanity for centuries. With its advanced instruments, Chandrayaan 3 aims to conduct groundbreaking experiments, analyze lunar soil, and gather invaluable data to deepen our understanding of the moon's geology and history. Join us as we embark on this extraordinary journey, delving into the remarkable discoveries, challenges, and triumphs that Chandrayaan 3 will undoubtedly bring. Chandrayaan 3, a mission of exploration, discovery, and inspiration as we unlock the secrets of our celestial neighbor. Stay with us as we venture into the heart of the lunar realm and witness the extraordinary achievements of Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is the third mission in the Chandrayaan program, a series of lunar exploration missions developed by the Indian Space Research Organization. Launched on 14 July 2023, the mission consists of a lunar lander named Vikram and a lunar rover named Pragyan, similar to those launched aboard Chandrayaan 2 in 2019. India became the fourth country to achieve a moon landing and the first to land spacecraft near Moon's south pole. The mission is seen as crucial to lunar exploration and confirming India's standing as a space power. India is on the moon, said S. Somnath, chief of the Indian Space Research Organization, as the spacecraft landed on 23rd August 2023. Scientists and officials clapped, cheered, and hugged each other as the spacecraft landed, with the government now looking to spur investment in private space launches and related satellite-based businesses. The latest mission came with a price tag of $74.6 million, far lower than those of other countries, and a testament to India's frugal space engineering. Chandrayaan means moon vehicle in Hindi and Sanskrit. In 2019, Indian Space Research Organization's Chandrayaan 2 mission successfully deployed an orbiter, but its lander crashed. Professor of extragalactic astronomy at the University of Manchester said, "In general, it's very difficult to land on the south part of the moon. Most vehicles have landed in the equator region of the moon, where the characteristics of the moon are much easier to deal with." And he also said, "It's a very historic day, and I really look forward to the science we are going to see come out of the mission. I think it would be quite interesting, and I hope it encourages other missions to do similar things around the moon." Its landing on the moon was very important for India as it helped demonstrate its technical advancement, according to Carla Filotico, a consultant at Space Tech Partners. It is important for scientific exploration as it is landing on the moon's south pole and it will allow India to explore the water and ice on the moon. It will help in accumulating data on science and geology of the moon and gathering information on exploration of the solar system's history and evolution. On August 24, 2023, Chandrayaan 3 rover, made in India, made for the moon. The Chandrayaan 3 rover ramped down from the lander and India took a walk on the moon. India's moon rover has confirmed the presence of sulfur and detected several other elements on the lunar south pole, says the country's space agency. The Indian Space Research Organization said in a statement, "The laser-inducted breakdown spectroscopy instruments on board Chandrayaan 3 rover has made the first ever in situ measurements on the elements composition of the lunar surface near the South Pole. These in situ measurements confirm the presence of sulfur in the region unambiguously, something that was not feasible by the instruments on board the orbiters. The spectrographic analysis also confirmed the presence of aluminium, calcium, iron, chromium, and titanium on the lunar surface." Indian Space Research Organization added with additional measurements showing the presence of manganese, silicon, and oxygen. What are the lunar soil and rocks made of in the South Polar region where Chandrayaan 3 landed? How is it different from other highland regions? These are the questions the Chandrayaan 3 rover is trying to find answers with its scientific instruments. The six-wheeled solar-powered rover named Pragyan, which means wisdom in Sanskrit, will amble around the relatively unmapped South Pole and transmit images and scientific data over its 2-week lifespan as it searches for signs of frozen water that could help future astronaut missions as a potential source of drinking water or to make rocket fuel. Indian Space Research Organization Chairman S. Somnath said, "The rover will study the moon's atmosphere and seismic activity," and also said the rover's route was reprogrammed when it came close to a 4-meter wide crater. It's now safely heading on a new path. The craft moves at a slow speed of about 10 centimeters per second to minimize shock and damage to the vehicle from the moon's rough terrain. India has been steadily matching the achievements of other space programs, active since the 1960s at a fraction of their cost despite suffering some setbacks. On September 4, the lander and rover went in sleep mode, awaiting their awakening around September 22, 2023. The Chandrayaan 3 mission cost an estimated $75 million, less than the budget of Hollywood space thriller Gravity. 4 years ago, the previous Indian lunar mission failed during its final descent, in what was seen at the time as a huge setback for the program. Chandrayaan 3 has captivated public attention. Since launching in front of thousands of cheering spectators, and its successful touchdown on the moon came just days after Russia's Luna 25 lander crashed in the same region. Russia's head of the state-controlled space corporation Roscosmos attributed the failure to the lack of expertise due to the long break in lunar research that followed the last Soviet mission to the moon in 1976. In 2014, India became the first Asian nation to put a craft into orbit around Mars and plans to send a probe towards the Sun. Indian Space Research Organization is slated to launch a 3-day crewed mission into Earth's orbit by next year. The agency is also planning its first mission to the International Space Station next year in collaboration with the United States, a joint mission with Japan to send another probe to the moon by 2025, and an orbital mission to Venus within the next 2 years. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the cosmos. Chandrayaan 3 represents the indomitable spirit of human exploration and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you again on our next video. Thank you.